Do you know how much equity you have in your home? You might not believe the numbers. I've got some answers for you coming up. Hey, thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker here in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area along the Florida Suncoast. I hope these 2-minute videos answer a lot of your real estate questions. Please hit the subscribe button, subscribe below, and get to know the Florida Suncoast real estate market. That's how you get your best deal every time. Now, back to our question. Do you know how much equity you've got in your home? If I had to guess, it's probably a whole lot more than what you're thinking. Here's why. Over 2/3 of homeowners have at least 50% equity in their homes. Yeah, 50%. And that's a game changer for people looking to move in a big way. I'm seeing sellers use their equity to put more money down on these next homes so they don't have to finance as much at today's rates, and the credit rating is not a big issue. And I'm seeing more sellers buy their next house in all cash too. So how do you find out how much equity you have? It's pretty simple. Let's talk. I'll do a professional equity assessment report for you that'll show you exactly what you're working with. Then we can chat about how you can use it to make your move possible and when you want to use it. The timing's always up to you, not me. Remember, hit the button, subscribe to this channel below, call us anytime at 855-Mr. Beach, and you can check out homes for sale as well 24/7 at my website, MrBeachHouse.com.